Gwerin and I'm a member of Gwerin We've been packing clothes of the refugees because I heard their homes are getting bombed and stuff.
I'm Meryl, I'm one of the leaders of Gwerin here in Penrhyn, and in January this year I was one of the adults that went down and into Buckingham Palace to get our Social Action Award. Gwerin works by first forming relationships of trust. In our experience, fun activities give young people more self-confidence. Being more responsible naturally lead to young people coming up with their own suggestions of community action. In Machynlleth, the teenage girls have been organising weekly activities for younger children. They also did all the organising of a camp. In Wrexham, Gwerin has been working with young people and their families where one or more family member has ADHD or autism. It is hard for these young people to be part of activities outside school, and this includes social action. But when we talk to young people about their experience with autism, or see how caring and helpful they are with their young siblings, they want to get more involved.
This is Jack from the Wrexham group.
I find that helping others makes me feel really good about myself. And as I have family and friends who have autism and ADHD, it would encourage me to do more fundraising activities.
Returning to Penrhyn, here are other examples of the kind of youth social action we want to encourage.
I'm Hayden. I was going to school. I got hit by a car and was sent to the hospital. My friends in Gwerin started to make a fuss about the number of cars on the road through Penrhyn. This revealed a lot of us local people.
Our Gwerin groups often meet at Gwaith Powdwr. This used to be an explosives factory and now it's a nature reserve. We've been finding out about the history of the place from people who used to work there.
A comic relief grant will enable Gwerin to build on the youth social action we already do. It will help us to engage with hundreds of new young people. Their actions, in turn, will build up their confidence and help their communities.